In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send files on Discord. By the end, you'll be able to share documents, images, and other attachments in a server channel with confidence using the built-in upload tool. Start by opening Discord on your computer, either in the desktop app or in a web browser, and make sure you're on the workspace where you want to share something. Navigate to the specific channel where your file should go. Choosing the right spot matters. Many servers organize content by topic, and some channels allow attachments while others don't. If you don't see the option to post, you may not have permission to send files there, so pick a channel where you can type in the message box. Look at the message area at the bottom of the channel. To the left of the text field, you'll see a small plus icon. Click that plus icon to open Discord's attachment menu. From the options that appear, select Upload a File. This brings up your computer's file picker. In the file picker window, browse to the folder where your item lives. Click once on the file you want to send, so it's highlighted, and then confirm your choice by clicking OK or Open, depending on your operating system. Discord will return you to the channel with a preview of what you're about to share. Take a moment to review the file name and type. If you'd like, add a short message or caption in the text field to give context. Things like what the file is, who it's for, or any instructions. When you're ready, press Enter to send. If a confirmation appears, click OK to proceed. You'll see an upload progress indicator. Larger files may take a bit longer, so keep Discord open until it finishes. Once it's posted, the file will appear in the channel feed. You can click it to preview supported formats like images and PDFs, or let others download it. If the upload fails, check your internet connection or try again in a moment. A few quick tips to make sharing smoother. Keep an eye on size limits. Standard accounts typically have a relatively small attachment cap, and very large files may need to be compressed before uploading. Use clear, descriptive file names so teammates can identify content at a glance. Stick to channels where the file is relevant, and always respect server rules and privacy. Avoid sharing sensitive or personal information. And that's all there is to it. Open Discord, pick the right channel, click the plus, choose Upload a File, select your file, confirm, and press Enter to send. Thanks for watching, and enjoy smoother collaboration in your Discord channels.